Hey everyone, this is Andy back with another video. So today I'm gonna change the cabin air filter in my Acura TL, and from what I was seeing online, it's pretty annoying to get to or do the whole process. So I'll show you where the screw mounting points are, and I'll let you guys know. So the first thing is you got to remove these clips here. There's one here and there's one there, and then there is a tab here that you gotta also remove, and then you gotta squeeze the sides together, like on this side and this side. So once you see that, then you have two screws here, one here and one on this side. And I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna try to remove them, and I'll be right back. All right, so I popped out the glove compartment. So you just gotta be careful not to pry it open, because what happened to mine is I actually got a clip stuck here, and it's just stay on the actual console. So I don't know if that's gonna hold it up, but we shall see. But I got it open. So here's the air filter. You just gotta pull those two tabs on the side. Yep, and here's the air filter. So I'm gonna change it. And yeah, this design is not that great. The newer designs is much easier, and it doesn't require you to take out the glove compartment and then risk breaking these clips off for the glove compartment. So not a good design in my opinion. So anyhow, I'm gonna change the filter, and I'll be right back. All right, so I just swapped out the filter. So this is the new one, and that is the old one. So it's not that dirty, but this is better than having that one. So it just goes back into the column, just like that. Make sure the airflow is pointing down on the filter, because that's what it says. And then I'm gonna just stop putting it back the console, because it's gonna have a it's gonna be pretty difficult, and I'll be right back. All right, so I put the glove compartment back. Remember to put this little clip back here, and just put the tabs back in, and just realign all the screws, and it'll be done. That's about it. So please like and subscribe to my videos. I'm gonna be doing other videos like this one. All right, till next video. Bye.